National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Martinsville, southwestern Henry County, southeastern Patrick County, and southwestern Virginia until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Penn's Store, or near Spencer, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Spencer, Bassett, Ridgeway, Prince, Villa Heights, and Chip Moss.